In this video, I will showcase our new feature projects. The way to get started with projects is actually in the suppliers directory. So in the suppliers directory, you can search like you always did before. So let's search for cereal bars and you find the suppliers. And as always, you can use our powerful filters, such as the packaging, the trends, can they do organic, which trade shows they attend, format such as private label, their certifications. And one new cool feature that we have is that we have added in data on which retailers that they are delivering to. So for instance, we can go here and we can filter for only the ones that are delivering to Target. What we also can do is to filter for suppliers that are delivering to one of these top retailers that we have listed here. Now that we have the list, you can review all the different companies. You can select them one by one, or you can select all. And then you can add them to a project. So let's create a new project. Let's call it just cereal bars, top retailers. And we go ahead and create that project, and we add these suppliers to that project. Now, at this stage, I can go back, I can make more searches. Maybe I search for muesli bars or energy bars and try to find more suppliers. But to show all of the features, I will now just go to the project list, and then I will select the project that we just did, the cereal bars. And what's interesting here is that we still have the same filters, but it's now only based on the 55 companies that we added earlier. So if you want to make a certain filter, you can go ahead and do that. What's also very interesting is that you can share the project with a colleague. So let's set a password for simplicity. We set it as Torg. And now you get a link that you can copy and share with your colleagues. And your colleagues, even if they do not have an account with Torg, they can access your project. They can access all of the different filters and see all the companies. But for your safety, of course, they need to add in the password that we set as Torg. Now, I think this is a very cool feature that's going to make it a lot easier to work across teams and share good supplier lists before you do the reach out.